Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes, and follow all the instruction carefully. I will include the official apply link in the description below. Make sure you apply as soon as possible because the internship position fills quickly. If you find this video helpful, please like and share with your friends who are looking for the job. And don't forget to subscribe Grad Corporate for daily genuine hiring updates. Thank you for watching and all the best for your applications.